Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to see how to install xtrdb cluster 5.7. Currently I have three centos 7 instance. Okay, so I'm going to install my Percona Xtradb cluster 5.7. Then we are going to start group replication also. Okay, first we'll currently I have three centos instance. Okay, centos 7 I'm using. So I'm going to remove mariadb libs first. Okay. Now we are going to update our machine. This process take minimum 2 minutes, so we have to wait some time. Okay. Actually, Percona Xtradb cluster is database clustering solution actually. Okay. Is provide actually a high availability solution. Okay, so our application will not uh, yeah, we don't need to take any downtime for our application. So this is one of the good option for Percona MySQL users. Then we can start synchronization replication and some other features also they are providing multi-source replication and true parallel replication. So many options are available. Okay, then data consistency also stable in this type of replication. So most of the time we are preferring for this replication type. Okay, then now I'm doing fresh installation for the fresh server. So currently I don't have any database in my system. So if you are going to in production, please do it in same thing in first test server. Then only you can choose in your production. Okay, don't wait in anything directly production. Okay, now my system is upgrading. We have to wait some time. Then only we can start. Okay, now our system has updated successfully. Okay, now okay, please check your system first. Linux is disabled or not. If Linux is enabled, then you cannot start XtraDB cluster. So make sure your system has already Linux is disabled. Okay, I'm going to disable Linux config enforcing. I'm going to change this disabled. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to reboot our system because still my Linux status is showing enabled. So set enforce also disable temporarily only. Okay, so I'm going to reboot my system. So its process takes some time. Okay, then okay, I request for uh, one more thing. You need to open some ports. Okay, actually they are providing some ports for this group replication concept. So you need to open a mysql port and triple four double four port, and this port also you need to open in your server. Then only you can communicate one server to another one server. So if you are using in local network, I mean a local instance, you need to open the ports in firewall. Otherwise you can if you are using in AWS, you need to open in the security group option. Currently I have an three instance. I'm creating the same security group, so I'm going to open this port in only one server. So it will be replicated in another server also, because these instances are in the same group. So I don't need to open in port in all server. Okay, it will be automatically replicated. Okay. Port and 0. Then MySQL port also you need to open. MySQL port. Four five six seven and 4568. Okay, both ports are need to open in your instance. Then okay, done. The port changes as reflected in other servers also. We can check here also. Now currently we did it in this server. Okay, in server is master. I put it for your confirmation. Yes, bro. Okay, this is late. We can check here this port replication. Okay. Uh, Currently the port opener replicated to another server also. So okay, next we can check our server. I'm going to restart our server. Now we can check our Linux status. This is 3 servers. Okay, next we're going to install xtrdb cluster. Okay, first we need to set our repository, then only we can install our Percona Xtradb cluster 5.7. If you are going to check 8.0, they have alone an option in the portal. There is an option you can choose 8.7. Okay, I'm choosing 5.7 only. So okay, next I'm going to set repository in all server. Okay, next xtrdb cluster setup. Okay, the installation going to done. Next we need to start our MySQL, then we need to set the root password, and once you did all steps, please stop your MySQL. Okay, in systemctl start MySQL sorry. Okay, okay, I'm going to grip my MySQL temporary password. So parlock MySQL belong. Okay, this is my root user password currently. So I'm going to log in my MySQL server. MySQL hyphen root hyphen p. Okay, I'm going to one by one. Okay, once you log in your MySQL server, you can check your database, but you cannot see anything because you you didn't do any root password changes before. So this will be show like this. First, you need to reset your password, then only you can access your database. So you need to change your root password, alter user root localhost identified. Put any one password. I'm going to admin at 223 or sorry, enter user identified. Okay, now it's fine. Then once done it, flush it. Okay, make it the changes in all server. Your password is here. I'm going to use the same password for all server. You can use a different password also. No need to use same. Refresh privileges. Then this password also we need to reset. That server, right? Plus privileges. Okay, done. Our MySQL setup has done. Okay, now you can see our databases here. Okay, now all process is done. Next we need to change our xtrdb cluster configuration file. Okay, first you have to collect your instance IPs. Okay, because you need to copy the same thing in all server. Then you need to connecting purpose for each instance. You need to create one common user in master server. It will be replicated into another server. Once you start your bootstrap, it will be copied to other server also. Okay, we are using SSD method. Okay, okay, let's we start the process. Okay, I'm going to create this user in master server. I mean, first server only. It will be replicated to others. Okay, okay, I'm going to create this in this is some consider this first node. Okay, so I create this user. Then I need this grants for uh, replication. So I'm going to create this user with same this grant. Okay, next flush it. Okay, done, finished. Okay, next we have to check. Next I'm going to edit my configuration file etc Percona Xtradb con. Okay, wsrp con. Okay, first step, we need to add our IP in all server. Okay, this is a ws plus cluster address. Okay, you need to add your 3 instance IP in all server. Okay, this is common. Next, binlog file should be raw format, then only you can replicate. Then second, that is default storage engine should be InnoDB. Okay, it will be it is a default configuration. I didn't do any changes. Then node address should be in this um server IP address. Okay, for an example, this is a first node. Okay, so I need to replace this in first node server IP address. Okay, second thing, this is a cluster name. It should be same in all server. Don't need to change anything. This one for an node name. Okay, so here I'm using node 1. Okay, so here I need to change my node name name 2. Okay, this is name 3. So we need to change this in each instance. Then px is strict mode, no need to consider anything. Enforcing method is okay for this configuration. Okay, next SST method extra backup v2. Okay, actually this is how it's working. For example, if you are going to start bootstrap once, the data will be moved here to this server, okay, using extra backup v2 method. Okay, so that I'm using this option. This is default option, I'm not change anything. Then final step, this is recently we create one users, right, for SST user for each server communication purpose, right? So I need to replace that user password and username. My username is SST user only. I didn't do any changes. If you want to create new user, you can create, no issues. Okay, this is user password also we need to modify. Okay, these changes we need to do in all servers. Okay, okay, let's we do. First I'm going to copy my server IPs. Okay, done. So I'm going to copy this IP details. So we can paste this IP in all server. Okay, this one, second one, we need to modify this. Okay, I feel little difficult. Okay, I'm going to do one by one. Address first IP 248. Uh, 1 minute. Check my IP. Okay, I did modify these changes. This is server IP, then this is first server IP, okay, then second server, third server IP, then cluster name is no name one, okay, then I made these changes also. SST user and password what123 what we create here. Okay, next save. Okay, I have to change this in this server also. Okay, this is current machine IP, then we done it, save. Okay, we done it now. Then okay, we can confirm. I can this is my instance. Okay, I made all changes. perfectly. Then okay. Next we have to mysql start mysql stop mysql. Okay, we need to stop our mysql in both instances, node 2 and node 3. Okay. Okay, mysql is stopped. Next, okay, we followed this document. Okay, this is done. This is also done. Okay, next step is bootstrap the first node. Okay, this is the first process. So I'm going to stop MySQL here also. Stop MySQL. Okay, I'm going to start MySQL bootstrap. Bootstrap. Okay. If you don't know the command, you can check this website, their website. They are giving all details. Okay. Okay, MySQL bootstrap has started. Then you can log in your MySQL here. MySQL hyphen u to open my password is needed 123. Okay. Okay. Currently, I have no. I don't have any database, so I'm going to create one database. Create database. Okay. Okay. Next step, we need to start our MySQL in slave server also. Okay, MySQL has started. Here also we need to start our MySQL. Okay, MySQL is started. Okay, next we can check how many instances in. So this option you can check to 1 minute. Here you can see how many cluster is added in your configure. Initially we can see this in only one status only. Okay, then once you add a second instance and third instance, it will be 3. Okay, here option is synced, right? Local state is command is synced. The synced means it will be configured with other instance also. If it's initialized or something else, it is not working properly, so you need to check your error log, then you need to fix it. Okay, then okay, we can check the server also. My password is admin at 123. Okay, I'm using it to command line for testing purpose. Databases or xtrdb is replicated here also. Okay, SQL admin. Show databases. Okay, xtrdb is replicated here also. Okay, now I'm going to use xtrdb. Okay. Show tables. Okay, no tables. Create table mobile id int not null auto increment, then model primary key id. Okay, 1 minute. Check our syntax. Id not null auto increment. Okay, now it's created. Okay, we can insert some record here. Insert into mobile values Nokia. It's not match. Okay, Nokia X1, X2. Okay, currently we have 3 records. Okay, I'm going to check. Okay, 3 records is there. One more point. Your table, if you don't have your table, have not any primary key. It will not replicate initially. So you need to change some options. So currently I am creating a table with auto increment option. So it's working fine. Use xtrdb. Okay, data is replicated here also. Then mobile. Okay, data is replicated here. Okay. Okay guys, we successfully install xtrdb cluster. Okay, 5.7. If you have any queries, please mention in comment box. We will see. Okay guys, thank you so much. Next video I'm going to upload InnoDB cluster. Already I uploaded one video, but I'm trying to upload one video for very short, within 10 to 15 minutes. It will be much better, I think. Okay guys, see you.